from YouTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset. In this case I'm using the iPad 7th generation 2019, but keep in mind that this option is available for all the iPads and iPhones. So once we are in settings, we have to go to the option of general, the general option, and then go here where it says reset. We will see some reset features like all settings, erase all content and settings. It will depend on what you what you want. However, in this case is factory reset all the content and see it in settings. Let's press it. It says documents and data are being uploaded to iCloud. You can select finish uploading, then erase. Upload all the content to iCloud and then erase all the content. However, you can choose erase now as this purpose. Okay, erase iPad. This will delete all media and data and reset all settings. Erase iPad, yes, I'm sure. Now it says that it needs my Apple ID password. Okay, now I got the password and then it will start to reset. As you can see, the iPad 7th generation now is resetting, and when done, it will be like a brand new iPad like the one you buy at the Apple Store. So if this is the first time you watch one of my videos, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. So check her out, and until the next one.